Okay, let's start again. Shiba Inu from a daily perspective. Uh, until Saturday, where we had the burst higher of 23%, we really hadn't accomplished anything in Shiba Inu except holding the May 19th low around spot 607. We had the burst higher. We weren't able to follow through, nor were we able to break through the top line of the descending parallel channel. On the weekend, we tried on Sunday, you'll see, and we were forced back down. Really critical to an emerging bullish opportunity, because really for me, my previous view was that we needed to get a close, just like with Dogecoin, a close above the 50-day simple moving average to begin to entertain bullish outcomes for Shiba Inu. We did get that Saturday. Now the key is through this consolidated process, depending on how long it lasts, is that we continue to hold the 50-day simple moving average. If we don't, then we're going to quickly revisit down to the May 19th low of 607. There's no doubt in my mind about that. And then possibly lower levels. On the upside, really the resistance begins on a daily closing basis with the top line of the descending parallel channel, which comes in around 791, give or take. And then if that's successful, then we can start to look for a rally up into this high here, which is on June 29th, which is at 962. And then afterwards, you can see incremental highs from this high here on June 15th up to the June 2nd. And then the area that I'm really looking at are these two highs here from May 20th, which is 1214, and May 24th, which is 1204. That's sort of my target area for Shiba Inu. If we do break free from the descending parallel triangle, that would give us, give or take, a 55-56% advance from the current price. After that, probably we'll see an overbought condition and some type of consolidated process that takes place. But it's not going to be such an easy rally when there's this incremental source of resistance from these highs from earlier in May and in June. So overall, I'm still neutral on Shiba Inu at this point. I'm a little more positive on Dogecoin versus Shiba Inu until this descending parallel channel is broken and we can then confirm that we are going to march higher moving forward.
Yeah, I think my target kind of coincides with what you have there, around 0.12. Right. For me, I'm bullish on Shiba Inu, and my target is the 70.5 FIB, which comes around 101. That's what I'm looking at right now, because after this massive fall on May 19th and the automatic reaction that we saw here, there were a lot of failed attempts at 0.75. So I am not going to be over bullish or optimistic and look at any levels above this. Considering where Shiba Inu is right now, I think it's a 30% upswing, and that's what I'm looking at. This consolidation played out really nicely, as the both of us predicted here. And yeah, I think the first level is going to be the 50 FIB decisive close above that is going to propel Shiba, like at least open the path for Shiba to at least retest this 62 FIB, which comes around 954, and then the 70.5 FIB around 101. In a highly bullish case, we might get something like this, a wick, which retests the 79 FIB at 107, and then go down below. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at for SHIB. As for the downside, I do not want it to go below this consolidation phase here, which roughly ranges from 624 to 654. So yeah, anything beyond this would be really bad for Shiba. Then we can expect it to retest the range low here at 517, or the 420 support level here, which comes off of the range high formed on April 21st, 2021.